Hello, boys and girls. This is Miss Aguirre. By now, you have found out that I'm going to be your fourth grade teacher this year. So I wanted to show you a glimpse of our virtual classroom for open house. So right now, I'm on our home screen. And on our home screen, you can click different things with the cursor on it to access step 1, step 2, and step 3. And then you can always return to this page by clicking the home button. So here is the home button, and it's always located on the bottom right of your screen. Today I just wanted to do step 1 with you so you can get to know a little bit about me. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this poster and it'll take me to my About Me page. So on the side here you'll see my Bitmoji and some of my favorite things that we're about to read about. But I'm going to start by reading my About Me here. Hello, I am Megan Aguirre. I will be your child's 4th grade teacher for the 2020 through 2021 school year. This will be my 4th year in 4th grade. I was born and raised in Alvin, Texas, where I currently live with my husband, Adam, and our 2 cats. I graduated from the University of Houston Clear Lake with my bachelor's in education. As we begin this year in a way we never have before, I wanted to let you know that I am here for you and your child. Feel free to always reach out to me. I am hopeful and excited, very excited, for this bright year ahead. At the bottom, you're going to see some of my contact information, and now I'm going to go ahead and read some of my favorites. So my favorite color is yellow. My favorite drink in the morning is coffee, but later on it's Coke. And then my favorite food is Chick-fil-A. And my favorite store is Target. My favorite animal is a cat. My favorite movie is Star Wars Episode 4. My favorite subject is math. And my favorite sport is football. So I'm going to go ahead, now that I'm finished reading and showing you my About Me page, I'm going to go ahead and click the home button to go back to the home page. So that was a little bit about me, and I look forward to getting to know you. For now, it is goodbye, but I look really forward to meeting you soon. Bye.